a way to look at that is, we know what lambda is. Lambda is simply marginal utility in period 1, right? With this assumption, marginal utility in period 1 is equal to marginal utility in period 2. So we can replace lambda by u2x. Okay? So here we have, again, now we're converting everything into monetary units. U2 over U2x is x2, really, and the elasticity of substitution, let's say, over time, or the concavity overall, which we'll show it later on. Anyway, this is what we have here, okay? So, and then we're equal